Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. You hungry? Let's make a snack. So if you follow me on TikTok, then you know we make snacks, and everybody should follow me on TikTok. I am Darius Cooks. But the other day I made a jerk chicken taco, and they only give you 60 seconds. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this for the masses in a format that I can just go on and on forever. But you know, my recipes don't have you in the kitchen all day, so it's gonna be very, very easy. In this bowl, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I have a prepared jerk seasoning that I'm gonna dump right into this bowl. I'm gonna toss in a little bit of olive oil, and then here is some brown sugar. With your gloves or clean hands, we can go right in here and give this a good mix. All right, this is now mixed all the way together, and I got a grill pan on the stove, and the grill pan is nice and hot, so let's go grill up some chicken thighs. All right, let's give our chicken a flip halfway through. Look at that, beautiful. Our jerk chicken is perfectly grilled and ready to go. So we're just taking the jerk chicken off of the grill pan, and we're gonna let it hang out for a little bit, and we'll be ready to go. While the chicken is resting, why don't we just hop over here and make this lovely pineapple pico de gallo that is so simple and so easy. You're gonna be doing it every single time. And the more this sits and macerates, the better it is. So first things first is I have some chopped pineapple. I'm gonna start adding all types of good things. So first I've got some red onion diced. Then let's add in some garlic as well. I've got some jalapeno, a little bit of chopped tomato, and then I've got some cilantro, because you can't really have a pico de gallo without cilantro, right? All right, let's throw in some lime juice, fresh squeezed of course, right in here. All right, now let's season this, because we really haven't done that at this point. So to do that, I've got a little bit of salt, and then why don't we squeeze in some black pepper into the mix. We're gonna balance that acid with a little bit of sugar. All right, let's throw in some olive oil. Now, I'm gonna add in, a little bit of pineapple rum, just because that's gonna help give us really great pineapple flavor. And who doesn't love rum in the pico de gallo, all right? All right, let's grab a spoon and let's mix that all together. There we go, perfect. All right, we'll give that a stir. Looks good. All right, let's taste it. Perfect. Let's grill up some tortillas so we can finally get a chance to eat. All right, so I got some corn tortillas. We're gonna take an open flame and drop our tortillas right on the open flame and get them nice and toasted. Now listen, I wish you were here to smell how this house smells right now, then you would know how excited I am. But that's okay, because you're gonna make this for yourself, and then you're going to inbox me and go, Darius, you are so right. Let me see. Oh, look at the drip action. Oh my God. You gotta give it a try. Not only was it simple to do, it's even simpler to eat. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. The recipe, you know where to find it, DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all. It's so good.